Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna take a look at this moto. I just got it off the mail today. The new Hyperdash Pro J-Cup 2020 edition. I just realized there's a Thailand sticker behind it. You just peel off. Oops, I can't peel off. Anyway, the specs is pretty much about the same with any other Hyperdashes. Let me just take my 2019 Hyperdash. Okay, this is 2019 Hyperdash. I'm just going to see if there's any difference in the labeling here. So 2019 torque is 1.4 to 1.9, 2020 is 1.4 to 1.9. The RPM is 17.2, 21.2. The consumption is about the same. So suffice to say, we're going to expect this to be largely about the same as every other Hyperdash out there. So we're going to open this up. I'm just going to take a quick reading on the magnets using the Inomoto gauge meter. I'm just going to take a quick reading. Will roughly tells you the torque of this motor. I don't have a 2019 to compare right now, but we'll see what we get. And then we're going to test the RPM with this guy straight out of the box with no lubrication. Let's get to it. Okay, we're gonna open this up right now. As you can see, there's a label J-Cup 2020 in gold foil. More gold, black letterings, nothing special. Nothing special, nothing special. It's by SMC Moto. I can't tell if there's any other differences between this and every other Hyperdashes out there. Let's do a quick finger spin test. Well, out of the box sound, you can hear it. Largely very dry, wiggle almost none, but it sounds super duper dry. Now we're gonna test on the gauge meter. Alright, we're going to measure the magnet strength of the new Hyperdash 2020. Okay, usually I will lay it off on a very flat surface with no magnets around so it doesn't influence this original reading, and then I'll go to calibrate, and then I will usually read somewhere off the bottom of the motor until I get the maximum reading. Okay, so now 250. I'm gonna see the other side. So it seems the other side is slightly stronger than the other side. So basically I can safely say this motor has quite a good torque with average speeds. And we're going to test it out with this guy. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we're going to test this motor straight out of box. I'm going to test at 3.2 volts and we'll see what we get. That's about 32,000 RPM. In fact, if I were to make a quick judgment based on this original reading, I would say this motor is too good. The RPM doesn't fluctuate, it feels quite smooth, although it's quite rough in its brand new state, but you don't have that up down sound. So this one, straight out of the box, is perfectly excellent. I would say any regular Hyperdash that comes out at 3.2 with 32,000 is normal. So with good braking or good oil, if you have a decent motor oil that you can use to the motor, you're gonna get very good results out of this. So actually I only have 3 packets of this guy. I couldn't purchase more. It's still very expensive right now, plus the COVID situation is not helping with the imports to the local agent. So the first pack I took out already have this reading. I would say this motor might have very good potential in my opinion. It might not be true for everybody else, but I'm saying that this is a good patch. For me at least. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe and consider sharing to your friends too. Thank you and we'll see you again. Bye bye. Okay, I'm going to test this already broken in based off my breaking video. In case you haven't watched it, watch it right now, right over here. And I'm gonna run this. Okay, round 2. Okay, last round. There you have it, guys. This motor is a beast. 34,000. I'm speechless. I think I might hit the grand lottery of such motor. I don't know. Some people may be better at doing motor braking than me. I know that for a fact, I don't get 34,000 on a normal hyper. That's all I know. Okay guys, if you like it, please do leave a thumbs up and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.